Hi everyone, well, this is CoinsKid. Going to dive into Ethereum once again. Thanks for your support. Okay, really do appreciate it. For those of you not following on Twitter, get involved on Twitter and also the Patreon, everything. Thank you for the enormous amount of support that we receive across the channel. Okay, so right now Ethereum is doing really well. Okay, really well. You've got a big buy and go to the beat signal here from CoinsKid. This is a major bullish signal. It's a reversal of a trend confirmation. Okay, now these can come in and out, but it's progress basically. It is a really good signal. There is a technical target here for Ethereum, which you're fully aware of. Okay, is this 2895, and this is a technical target of this W double bottom right now. So providing we can come up to this target and break it and hold it and back test for support, this is looking really good for Ethereum. This is a daily time frame. Okay, the stock RSI is getting a little bit overextended, so this is why you've had this little bit of a roll there. There was a bit of a bearish divergence which I've shown you, which is played out. You've come back down to a key level of support. Now you are forming a new impulsive wave here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, if you look just here, you came up in this impulsive wave and you've had this little retracement correction to a key level of support just there. Right now you are starting to form a new impulsive wave. Now if you break this high, okay, if you look at that as bang on, that's the target 1618, that's your target, okay, which is also basically the target of a WW bottom. So from here right now at this moment, if Ethereum was to continue, you are looking at a 9.3% upside for Ethereum. So personally, you know, not financial advice, but what I would do, I would wait for the break of this high, because that would confirm the break of this high, and also the fact that you are continuing with this impulsive wave to the upside. Do you see that? Because what's happened is you've come up an impulsive wave, retraced, and now you're starting to form a new impulsive wave, and this is your technical target, the 1618. Also 2895. It tallies up beautifully with the W double bottom target just there. So it's looking great. It's looking great. But at that point, you know, I'm not going to lie to you, you would become a little bit overextended from the EMAs, especially the 20. So you do want to see yourself sort of consolidate at that range there. Hold it as support. It's really vital that you hold that level of support and allow the EMAs to creep and back up to you to get that retest of support before continuation of a trend. Okay, because if you do get a little bit overextended here, there's a probability that Ethereum could come up and then roll and lose the EMAs, and that would essentially not be a good thing for Ethereum, because you're going to lose this key level of support, previous resistance, you know, that you're going to turn hopefully into support, because this is a good thing that if we turn this into support, this is extremely bullish for Ethereum and crypto and the market cap of you know, total market capitalization of crypto and alts. Okay, so it's good what Ethereum's doing, but you are aware we've got this buy the hype and sell the news event going on at the moment. So hopefully, you know, the news is good, the diminishing supply for Ethereum, and hopefully we can get that little price appreciation and the continuation of this bull trend here for Ethereum, because you do know we've got those upper targets which we've shown you in previous videos. I will show you them to remind you for those people that are new to the channel, but at the moment, just to remind you, this is the technical target. Providing you can break this high now at 2699, you will be looking to form that new impulsive wave, that confirmation, and from that point, if you're just looking for that confirmation, you know, because potentially you could run into a level of resistance right here and you could actually roll and not form the new impulsive wave to the top. Okay, because that's what you're doing. You're coming back up to retrace this high at the moment, and if you run into a level of resistance, you could continue with the downtrend, effectively the retracement coming back down to a lower level than this retracement low here, because this is what you're doing. You're retracing. I'll just explain this to you. Okay, for those that you are new to the channel, I'll just explain it to you. Those that are new to the channel, basically you've come down, you retrace to a key level of support, you start to pick up, break this high, you are looking at that beautiful target just there. Okay, so if you want to trade on confirmation of the break, then do anticipate the break of 2699. If you start to see that broken on the daily, then obviously you're looking at a beautiful upside around about 6.93%. So that's a lovely long opportunity right there for Ethereum. It has had a nice pickup today. What I'm going to do is just check the retracement level that we went through for Ethereum. So what I'm going to do is look to where you retrace from. To be fair, it's about a 236. It's very low. It's not even it, that is it. Yeah, 236, bang on. So yeah, that's how strong this particular trend is. It didn't even actually retrace down to our level here, the 236. It's actually just picked up. So, you know, if you do start to see a rejection here, this is why you can't jump into this trade. You know, not financial advice, but I would definitely wait for the break of this 2697. Okay, back to no support for the trade. Okay, because you could run into a level of resistance here and actually roll deeper. I would anticipate though, you know, you do need to see the daily 20 EMA hold as support if you was to roll, and it looked relatively bearish. This EMA, this 20 EMA on the daily time frame could offer a fantastic entry point, because this is where you can actually form the retracement, come back up, break this high, and come back up to our targets just there. So that could offer an even greater long opportunity for those that are looking to enter on Ethereum, okay? Because it is mega bullish. But one thing, like I'm going to remind you of, one thing we do need to see here for Ethereum, a key level of resistance turned into support, is this level here, okay? You need to see that because it's where it's upper resistance when you're falling down, and it's also the technical target of a W bottom. And if we get there and do something like this, break it, hold a support, consolidate around there, you know, potentially forming some big bull flag, bull pennant or whatever, some upper bullish consolidation pattern, allow the EMAs to creep up, because you are getting very overextended from the EMAs just there, okay? So I'm just going to show you them price predictions for Ethereum for those of you that are new to the channel. These are our price predictions, because people will say, oh, where's your price predictions? And then because sometimes I just jump straight into the TA without showing you the future price predictions. So for Ethereum, just here, we have got these price predictions based off Fibonacci and LEOA theory. For those that you're not sure or aware, we've got the 1618 here at $8,366, and we're also expecting an overshoot, and hopefully, you know, it'd be lovely if we can get to the 2.272, 54,554. Now, yesterday I did some TA on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, so I will try and jump into that every day for you to see how it's going. You can see we bounced off the yellow line, which is 20 EMA on the weekly time frame. It's looking beautiful, looking for more upside. We're just breaking through the golden ratio right now, and like I said to you, once you get through those levels on a retracement, there's a high probability here, you know, if you start to break through that, you are looking at a full retracement to the high. And especially, you know, if you continue and break that high, that's where you look at them Fibonacci extensions as price predictions, okay? So far Ethereum is looking absolutely golden against Bitcoin. This is potentially a big massive bull pennant just there, look on the weekly time frame. So if we go from there to there and you see the breakout, this way you can see the continuation of the trend and see a further appreciation for Ethereum versus Bitcoin from this point here. You know, it could be breaking out at the moment. It could be looking at a 66% more upside out of that pattern. And, you know, it's not going to happen overnight. Don't think, oh, it's going to happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. And from this point here, if you was to get the full retracement to the all-time high, that's at 131% upside appreciation for Ethereum against Bitcoin. And obviously, if you went for the extension just there, you're looking at 324% upside against Bitcoin for Ethereum. So it's looking good at the moment, okay? Take care, everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with another update on Ethereum. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. And thank you once again for your support across the entire CoinsKid community here. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.